When I was a teenager, I was a bit of a rebel. I had my pack of friends and my skateboard. We used to ride in the streets of Berlin and every once in a while paint some graffiti on a street corner. One of my favorite places to ride the skateboard was in this beautiful open area just in front of a glass building. Every day we would pass through it and enjoy the smooth feeling of the wheels and the pavement. Sometimes I would have to go to the bathroom and there was no one there, and I used to pee in the garden next to the building. Many years later, in a big class in architecture history, the professor showed us a slide of the most important monument, Neue Nationalgalerie in Berlin, by Mies van der Rohe. And I understood that this was the place where I was peeing, and I didn't realize that I spent my childhood next to the most influential building in the modern history. So you're living next to important places, and you may not know how important they are, but they do leave an impression. And maybe they weren't meant for skaters, but for me it was the most beautiful place. And I will remember it all my life, just because I'm still fascinated by how smooth my wheels run on that pavement. So sometimes it's all about the invisible, unnoticeable details that can carve a memory in your mind. So look for them, find them near you, or create them for others.